Ziina is, in one word, the easiest way to get paid in the UAE. And what we mean by that is there's two sides to it. Consumers, everyday consumers like me and you, use it to split the bills with friends. So think about if you're splitting the bill for groceries, a group trip, dinner, rent, and that's one side of our platform. And the second side of our platform, which is really taken off as well, is the business side of our platform. And what we enable businesses to do is to get paid as well. But in the eyes of our businesses, this happens through three key means. First one is going to be getting paid on your website through a payment gateway. Second is going to be getting paid in person through a POS. And third and finally is going to be getting paid through social media, through payment links. And I know the last one sounds a bit as a very specific tool, but in the UAE alone, there are 90,000 Instagram businesses. So Ziina, to summarize, is a 360 solution for businesses at the moment to getting paid.
Okay, Faisal, you've just raised 22 million in your Series A. What's your fundraising strategy here? And can you give me some insights into who's backing your business?
Great. Yeah. So we're really lucky to be working with the round has been led by Altos Ventures. They're a phenomenal fund out of San Francisco, actually one of the top tier funds in the world. And we have other participants in the round that include Active Ant Capital, a growth fund out of New York, Avenir Growth, another growth fund out of New York, Fintech Collective, fintech specialist investment firm. We have local funds like MEVP, Jabbar Internet Group, WAMDA, and Jimco that have invested as well. And finally, we have a lot of international fintech founders invested in Ziina. So we have the founder of Checkout.com invested, the founder of Flutterwave, the largest fintech in Africa, invested, and the early employees from Revolut invested as well. So what that means is that the international investors bring specific value add, right, which is having the experience investing in international fintechs and scaling them. Local funds bring the value add of commercial connections on the ground, anything from banking partnerships to partnerships with Visa and MasterCard. And the last group, which are the fintech founders and operators, have really helped with advice, given that they're a few steps ahead in the journey, as to how to best build a fintech platform. So that is the group of investors. What we're going to be doing with the money is that Ziina is going to now transition. Given that we raised the $22 million and we've also gotten fully regulated by the central bank. So we've now gotten one of the highest licenses for fintech, which is called the Stored Value Facility License. Ziina is now going to evolve from being a payments platform to an end-to-end financial ecosystem. And what that means is that you're not only going to be able to get paid on the platform, but we are now going to allow you to spend your balance in a number of ways. And businesses have been constantly asking us to roll out these features. So they accept balances onto their Ziina platform or the Ziina application. Now they're asking us, how do we spend this balance? We need a card to spend it for expenses. We need a way to pay our suppliers. And we also need a way to pay our employees. So quite soon, given that we're at the intersection of strong demand from customers, regulation, and this investment, Ziina is going to evolve into that end-to-end ecosystem.